and welcome to my channel Life with Rashmi. So today let's talk about men. मुझे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे थे कि आप अपने चैनल में सिर्फ फीमेल्स फैशन के बारे में बताते हो. सो लेट मी क्लियर यू अप कि मेरे चैनल पे आपको मेल्स फीमेल्स दोनों के पर्सनालिटी टिप्स, स्टाइलिंग हैक्स, एडवाइसेस, एवरीथिंग वीडियो वुड बी देयर. सो टुडेज वीडियो इज स्पेशली फॉर मेन ऑन पॉपुलर डिमांड. आज का टॉपिक है हर एक वो लड़का जो छोटी छोटी गलतियां करता है वाइल ड्रेसिंग अप. बात ये नहीं है यू हैव टू वेयर एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स टू लुक क्लासी. आप 300 रुपए वाली शर्ट में भी उतने ही क्लासी दिख सकते हैं रेदर देन वेयरिंग अ 3000 रुपीज शर्ट. So problem is not to buy expensive brands. The problem is how you carry yourself, how you fit in that particular outfit, how you style yourself, how you mix match colors. So fashion clothing is a game changer. Today, without wasting time, I'm gonna share some of the latest fashion trends for every man. I hope you would love it and try it. So let's get started. Matching a formal belt with your outfit. Match your metals, match your leathers. This is the rule. Now, in this picture, you can see belt is matched with trouser. This tan shoes, charcoal grey pants and black belt. This is totally wrong. आपको शूज के साथ बेल्ट को मैच करना है. So, this is the rule. Always match your belt with shoes, not your trousers. Tan shoes, charcoal grey trouser with tan belt. This is the right rule. And you look classy. So always match your belt with shoes, like tan with tan, black with black. And if you are wearing some casual, you can wear white shoes with white belt. That also looks good for casual wear. Keep your white socks for sports only. You know it does not look nice with casuals and formals. It's so boring and it's so outdated fashion. So right rule is match your socks with t-shirt. Now you can follow some rules, color combination rules, like you can match yellow t-shirt with a blue socks. Pair a green t-shirt with a blue socks. You can even go for navy t-shirt and brown socks, lemon t-shirt and pink socks. But wearing a yellow shirt with a yellow socks is really outdated, and same color combinations does not look nice. So you can follow my color combination videos which have been uploaded a few days back, and you can follow that color combination trends for matching your socks. Necktie is usually worn by men during the weddings or any formal events, but I would prefer to wear bow because this is latest fashion and are more in trend. You can even wear V-necks under your waistcoat, which embraces your style and you look more stylish. Usually men used to wear Kolhapuri jutti with kurtas, the repeated old-fashioned. But if you want to look classy, gentlemen, pair your ethnic outfit with brogues. They look razor-shaped and goes well with kurta pajama combination. You can wear a pair of double monk strap loafers as they are comfortable to wear and look classy too. Additionally, you can add a stole, embroidered or prints, which are very much in fashion. OMG, I have seen many people wearing so tight fitted shirt that their tummy and skin reflects from the button loops. This looks so vulgar, sometimes so tight from chest. Always wear a good fitted shirt. Even if you sit, your buttons should not open up. If you are overweight, then please get it stitched from tailor. It hardly costs anything. Now, wearing a printed t shirt under the check shirt is spoiling the overall look and it is a sign of no dressing sense. Instead, a red check shirt looks especially nice when teamed with white t shirt in a casual assemble, makes you look super cool. Wearing a blue shades with black shirt, again a wrong rule, which I think no one thinks while carrying their shades. Whereas wearing black shades with black shirt is right rule. Similarly, you can follow my color combination videos uploaded on the YouTube channel for matching your shades with right color shirts. In today's fashion world, going without socks is a cool statement with loafers. Exposing your ankles makes you look modern, stylish, and oozes your confidence. It helps you to stay cool in summers and keep your appearance more polished. Visibility of socks is great, no. It makes your personality fall down. If you want to wear socks, then there are socks available in the market which are called loafer liner socks. They provide coverage for your feet without being seen above your shoe line. Buy them. Too much accessories makes you look tacky, gives you a gangster look. So many rings make your personality show off. Being simple defines your sophisticated look. Too much again looks vulgar. Being simple makes you look classy. If you wanna wear jewelry and you're fond of it, then you can go for an ear piercing and you can spend your money on your glares, buy an expensive watch that enhances your status. These fashion and style hacks will help you to dress well and enhance your personality. I hope you like this video and you will not make any fashion mistakes in future. If you have any doubt or you have any query, you can text me in the comment section below or you can DM me. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Be home, be safe, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.